Project ya Grow etongozibwa mu kyanga kya Burengeru Izooba kandi Sara Mateke oluminisita w'ebyemyeto hamwe n'enshonga z'abaana niwabira ari omugenyi mukuru aha mukoro gukorirwe ahari Gongo Country Hotel muri Mbarara City.
We have been having work for the women, Uganda Women Entrepreneurship Program. We have been having the Youth Livelihood Program. We have been having the Youth Venture Capital Fund. And we believe that from the programs that we have been giving the population, they have been able to boost their businesses, and some of them are at a certain level and feel that they should move on.
Minisita Mateke ashabira abebembezi ba district omuri Burengeru Izooba okureba ngu bahandika abakazi boona abine eki barikwekorera kibabase okuganyura omu sente ezi.
I believe that from getting that data from the districts, the women now will begin accessing this money by first going to talk to them, knowing what they have, knowing how much capital they have, so that we know if they qualify to get this money.
Minisita ihanangiriza abo boona barabe bari omu kushembusya project egi okwehara okushomankura sente ezi.
Of course, some people want to tend to beat the system, but our system is very clear. And one thing I want to assure you that the money given to women is money you're very sure that at the end of the day you will get results. At the end of the day, even if it is work, we have collected back this money.
Noraba cyara bingi bayibatina ku zone banks abo kubati bine kikorato ebye byo kutayo kusimba signing hari abingi tubarashomire konka bari mu butare no bakora bine emidara yabo eje midara nubagikora obusente buke kwa manu make so okubura ku zone bank kuye sente bakatunga okora okugazwa za business zabo kikatuma bacumbagira
different from other programs in a sense that age ne targetinga omuchara ariyo mu business.
Wilberforce omuhwezi wa RDC aba district ya Rukunjiri ayorekera okukwataho ahabwa omubaro gw'abatashemerera okuganyura omu project nkeegi kushanga nabo bari kukira kuzijuramu.
Now when it comes to implementation ya taragaze kaza kurundo gw'omukazi wa cyaro owe targetingire hatoshanga ya targeting ndijo owaganya ogwo project takushanana n'ogwo bayo bagiplaningire.
Adolf Aireka, TV West, Agacencwire.